Hello students, welcome to VBPS online e-learning classes. This time is computer video. Students, how are you? I hope you are fit and fine. Today I am going to start the new chapter of chapter 3. So take out your computer book and open the chapter name is 3, functions and formulas and functions. Okay, page number 26. So let's start chapter 3. Students, chapter 3, formulas and functions. One of the most important features of Excel. Formula and functions, one of the most important features of Excel is its ability to perform calculations. Calculations means, do you know, addition, multiplication, subtractions and division, either using a formula or a function. In this chapter, you will learn the basic of formulas and functions and how they will used in different scenarios. What is the formula? Formula are user-defined instructions. Formulas are user-defined instructions to perform calculations. What is the formula? Formula are the user-defined instructions to perform calculation. And what is the functions? Functions are the predefined or inbuilt formulas that come with Excel. Okay, both definitions you have to learn it. What is the functions and what is the formula? Okay, functions and formula, this is the most important feature of MS Excel. They perform two calculations. Okay, next my topic is formulas in Excel. Formula are used to perform calculations involving addition, subtractions, division and multiplication, etc. Formula established are relationships between two or more cells. It is an experience that can include cell addresses, numbers, arithmetic operators and parentheses. By using them, you can perform simple as well as complex calculations. A formula must begin with an equals to. You have to write the formula. Then first of all you have to write equal sign. Then you have to write the other numbers, symbols, etc. Symbols followed by the cell reference and operators. It may contain a few all of our mentioned elements. First is a reference. A cell or a range of a cell that you want to include in your calculations. Reference means a cell or a range of cell that you want to include in your calculations. Operator What is the operator? Symbols that is specific of to operation to be performed. ऑपरेटर्स होते हैं ना, आपको क्या यूज़ करना है? मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेटर्स लाइक एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, जो भी आपको ऑपरेटर है क्या करना है, आपने अपने ऑपरेशन को यूज़ करना है, तो वो आपको क्या करना है? जस्ट सिंबल आपको उसका लगाना पड़ेगा ना. नेक्स्ट, कॉन्स्टेंट. कॉन्स्टेंट नंबर्स और टेस्ट वैल्यूज दैट डू नॉट चेंज. कॉन्स्टेंट the number or test value that do not change. Functions predefined formula in Excel, all of you know now. Predefined formula in Excel. Elements of formulas. See, this is the formula now. So first of all, then write the equal sign. A2. What is the A2? A2 is a cell address. A2, B2, E3, E5. This is the cell address. This is called cell address. Okay. Next, 5. 5 test value. All the things are constant. नेक्स्ट, साइन, माइनस का साइन है ना आपका, माइनस है, प्लस है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन. दिस इज द मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेटर. एंड सम इज अ फंक्शन. दिस इज द रेंज E3 to E5. All of you understood? Huh? Any doubt, any problem regarding in this topic? So you can ask me. Thank you.